Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. Today I think that this is the April 2022 Curlbox. I also ordered a non-subscription box, but I don't think that's this box. So just stay tuned and let's see what's in this box. Whoa. So in the package, usually if items can't fit, I always say it's in the brown box and then the other items would be in the pink curl box. So far, I see a extra large fabric wrap. It says many ways to wear and it's by Cantu. Oh, it shows you how to use it as a hair wrap. This is cool because it feels like it's satin or polyester, not cotton, and it looks like it's really big. So can I take it out? No, it's attached. I don't want to take it out right now, but this is cool. So this is actually something that I was going to start searching for myself. Just other ways to keep my hair up and safe when I don't want to wear it down. So that's nice. Nice and bright color for spring. Next are jumbo disposable condition caps. They are also named under Cantu. These are great for when you're deep conditioning or when you oil your scalp at night and you want to put something in between your hair and your satin bonnet. Hope you guys are wearing your satin bonnets. I have a lot of these, but I am running low, so it's good to have some extra. Right now, let's get to this curl box. Here's the curl box. Let's see what's in there. I'm guessing it's Cantu because these items are Cantu. So this says Curlbox, April 2022, the Decadent box. And that's how it looks in the front. This is the back. And these are the items that we're about to look at. Looks interesting. So the first item is the new Cantu Guava and Ginger Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. It has guava, ginger, apple cider vinegar, tea tree, and menthol. It also has salicylic acid for dandruff relief, and it's sulfate free. It says it's also free from parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. Here we go. That's this right here. I'm going to try to go in order of how I would use them if I was using them all. Next is the Guava and Ginger Protein Masque. It says it strengthens root to tip, silicone free, also free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates. And here it is here. This looks interesting. Let's see how it smells. This is the mask. Oh, wow. It smells pretty good. Oh, I should have did this one first. The next item is the Pre-poo treatment. This is sulfate free. It exfoliates and stimulates dry, itchy scalp. It's also free from all those items that I mentioned before. So this would be before the shampoo if you like to pre-poo. So this is a good pre-poo that I'm looking forward to trying because I don't always pre-poo my hair, but it's nice to try. Next is the Guava and Ginger Scalp Nourishing Treatment Serum. It also nourishes and soothes dry and itchy scalp. So that's this right here. They have it in a plastic bag in case it was going to get messy, which I appreciate very much. And last but not least is the Guava and Ginger Hair Lotion. It helps retain length and this moisturizes and strengthens hair strands. It's a mineral oil free. It's also free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and silicones. So that's this. So the hair lotion is 12 ounces. The serum is 4 ounces. The pre-poo is 6 ounces. The mask is 12 ounces. And the shampoo is 13.5 ounces. There are 20 of these conditioning caps. And does it say how big? This is pretty big. It looks like it's pretty big. It says one size fits all. So this is a pretty nice curl box for April. It looks perfect for spring. Look out for the video of when I use them. Let me know if you're interested in trying any of these products and if you like these little goodies that they send along with the products. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.